Welcome to the URL scraper tutorial video. The URL finder does what it says on the tin. It reaches out to one of the search engines and downloads all the results to find you URLs. Let's start with an example keyword. We can select the region of our search and the language of our search results, and we have some filtering options on the right hand side. I'm going to click on Run, and you can see the task status here at the very bottom. If I were to exit now, you see that the task has been saved to the task list here. To view the results of this search, I can click on the task name and it takes me back to the settings page. Here we can look at the filtering options. We can choose to ignore links. For example, I don't want YouTube. Any result that's been removed, you can see it's in a red strike through. If I want to limit the number of results, I can click and type in a number. So we're going back down to 50. With my results filtered and also trimmed, I can copy the results to my clipboard. I can remove the filtered results to make what I've done permanent. And what I mean by that is once I click cancel and click back inside, even when I remove all the filtering, you can see I've only got 48 results. I can also click on remove all and this will reset the task and allow me to rerun it again. If you have any questions about this tool, please reach out, SEOcontentmachine.com.